tide. Sunset melting gold across the waterline. Your hand wrapped up in mine like it was made to fit just right. Laughing at the waves when they chased our footprints down. No plans, no shoes, no worries now. Just the breeze in the radio, your heartbeat moving slow, and every little second feels like home. Barefoot in the tide, walking side by side, moon hanging low, fire in your eyes. World can't wait tonight. We got nowhere to be, just you, the sand, the sea, and me, spinning like a dream under summer skies. Barefoot in the tide. Barefoot in the tide. Salt air in your hair, dancing wild and free. You smiled and pulled me closer when the water hit our knees. Somewhere down the shoreline, somebody played a song for a little while. The whole world sang along. No tomorrow on our minds, just this perfect little